Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to create your very own Bridesmaid Proposal Box. At creativeuniondesign.com, we have a bunch of great items that you can personalize for your bridesmaids. These are a super fun way to get your bridal team together, and your closest ladies will love the extra effort that you put into popping the question. You can make these as big or as small as you like, and you don't have to spend a ton of money on creating one of these. I was trying to keep the cost down for these boxes, and I ended up spending under $35 per box. I'm also going to show you how to create these editable and printable cards that you can write a lovely personal note to each of your prospective bridesmaids. You can easily print as many cards as you need. We also have these great editable and printable mini champagne bottle labels. Whether you have a large bridal party or just a few close ladies, these labels will work perfectly because you can print as many as you need. All of our items are inexpensive, so you don't have to spend a fortune on creating a lovely gift for your bridesmaids. The cards are super easy. You can purchase the file from either creativeuniondesign.com or from our Etsy shop. Easily personalize each card in Adobe Reader and print. Editing and printing instructions are included on the PDF for easy referencing. You can start by taking your ruler and lining up the center. You will want to use the tip of the scissors or the back of your X-Acto blade to score the fold first. Scoring just means that you're creating a crease line so that the paper folds easily. Once you have scored the paper, you can cut out the edges. Be sure you are following the guidelines carefully. Once the card is cut out, you can simply fold on the score line and either place in an envelope or place directly into the box. Next, we have these easy printable mini champagne labels. These are easily personalized in Adobe Reader, then all you have to do is print, peel, and stick. I chose to remove the original label from the bottle by soaking this in room temperature water and baking soda for 30 minutes. You can choose to take the label off or leave the label on and place the new label over top. I designed these to be used with the Avery 6873 labels, or you can print to a full sheet of sticker paper. For the box, I purchased this 7-inch box at Michael's along with the paper stuffing, but you can find similar boxes on Amazon. I will include the links in the comments section below. You are going to feel amazing knowing that you saved a ton of money on these awesome bridesmaid proposal boxes. But wait, there's more! I wanted to mention another great gift idea that will save you even more money. Our easy printable bridesmaid proposal wine labels. Nothing says let's celebrate than a nice bottle of rosé. Easily download our file, edit in Adobe Reader, and print on Avery 22827 labels. These labels easily peel and stick over top of most standard wine bottle labels. I personally like to adhere the label to the back of the bottle so that the front label can still be seen. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my ideas for a bridesmaid proposal box. And for more ideas and inspiration, please go to our website at creativeuniondesign.com, or you can find us on Etsy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate your support. For all the items seen in this video, you can purchase them at creativeuniondesign.com. Thanks for watching and have fun designing.